Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to delete your Telegram account directly from the mobile app. Deleting your Telegram account is a permanent action, so make sure you've backed up any important data before proceeding. Let's get started. First, launch the Telegram app on your mobile device. Tap on the menu icon, usually found in the top left or bottom right corner, depending on your device. Then, select Settings from the menu list. Inside the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section contains various settings related to your account's privacy. Scroll down until you find the Account Self-Destruction or Delete My Account setting. Telegram does not provide a direct Delete Account button within the app. Instead, your account is deleted automatically if you do not log in for a certain period. Tap on this setting to adjust the period after which your account will be deleted due to inactivity. You can choose the inactivity period after which your account will be deleted. The options typically range from 1 month to 12 months. Select the shortest period if you want your account to be deleted as soon as possible without logging back in. After setting the self-destruct period to 1 month, log out of your Telegram account. Go back to the main settings page, click on 3 dots, and tap on Log Out. If you do not log into your Telegram account within the period you set, 1 month if you followed these steps, your account, along with all messages, media, and contacts, will be permanently deleted. Remember, once your account is deleted, you cannot recover any data from it. Also, if you decide to return to Telegram, you'll have to create a new account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.